Hi, my name's Simon, and this is my cloud computing assignment. So, first of all, we have to create a Docker swarm with a manager and two members. So, Docker node ls. So this is the swarm manager, and this is the two members connected to it. You can see it's the leader, and they're all in the same swarm. So next up, we have to build a container management system. I've done this in cloudconf.py. So I'll compile it first. Yeah, so you can see compiled fine. When I go to the local host, it doesn't actually. This is a new problem today that I've been having, and I can't fix it. So I haven't been able to test everything, but I'll mention that as I come to them. I've tested most of it though, and most of it works. Like everything that I tested worked. So just jump in. So this is mostly skeleton code, and then we had I think 7 or 8 methods to add to. So first of all, list all the images. So I've marked the ones I had to do with these little hashtags. So I made a variable called images, and it's assigned here with cli.images, and then the next line iterates through them and prints them out. It prints the images out one after the other. So that works. I've tested that one. Tested the first 4, I think 5. Next up, show a specific container. So the container ID is passed into this function, and then inspect container is called, and the ID is passed into it, and it returns the name of the container. Next up is dump specific container logs. So this passing the ID gets the logs and displays them. It doesn't actually display them. I've left it out, but it doesn't actually dump them. I wasn't able to get that to work, and I can't do it today. I can't test it because it won't show me. So I'm kind of stuck here. The next one is containers remove. This is to remove a specific container. So it's got to be already stopped or killed. So for this, I said if the state is not equal to running, it'll then over here remove container, and it'll pass in the ID to remove that specific container. There's a couple of failed attempts. I tried to copy kind of up here, but it didn't actually work. But yeah, eventually this one worked. Next up is remove all containers. So this is where the problem hit. So I tried all these in the last couple of days, and none of these were working. So then I stopped. And then today I did this, and it compiled, but I haven't been able to test it. So it just says untest beside it. It compiles, but I don't think it works because that doesn't seem right to me. That you can just put -a like in here, but I'm not sure. And the same goes for in here. I just did a couple of failed attempts in the last few days, and then remove image, but it's untested again. It compiles, but I'm just not sure if it works. And then finally, update image. I actually didn't get this one to work. Just here. Yeah, this one doesn't actually work. That's all I've got. So yeah, there's nothing here. So that's everything that I've got done. Cool, and that is kind of the end of that part. So the next bit is part 2. Run the Nginx as a service. So I've got this, so I can show that I've done this already. Let me clear this. So so this shows that I'll show you the command I put in. Actually, it's I'll just copy it over here somewhere. So this is the command I use. You can see I specified 5 replicas. So there's 5 here. 8080 is the port. Sorry, 8080 is the port here. And then I named it web. It's just from the labs. So just name here web 1, web 1 to 5. And then finally Nginx is the image here. And yeah, so that is part 1 there. And then finally this bit I didn't actually get to. I got really tied up with the whole thing not working. Find it. Oh, it's gone. So yeah, I wasn't able to get the last part done, and I haven't been able to attempt the bonus part. So that is everything, and the file's on my GitHub, and that'll be in the README file, a link to that. So yeah, that's everything. Thanks very much.